Hey, what's up, guys? So previously did a video where I scraped 150,000 Angi list contractors, but now I have 700,000 contractors. I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you want this list, I'm selling it for $500. So just to show you here, so you can see 732,000, yeah, in the list, and you have emails, phone numbers, crazy. So Angi list is just leaking all of their contractors' info, no problem. And they actually redesigned the app or redid the architecture, and they still left them in there. So hilarious. So what you're going to do is you need the to first view this, you'll need it to go to a URL like this, so company list, and then whatever the category is, blah, blah, blah. And we just need it one time because we're going to find the endpoint. So what they do is they return all of these pros here, and then you can paginate and get a bunch. So what we're going to do is right-click, inspect element, go to the network tab, and then we're going to paginate to see the results. So fetch XHR, boom, paginate, you can see that API request, boom. So they have this nice URL right here, and if you look at the preview, then you can see the results right here, boom. So how you would use, and you can see also that they include, zip codes, postal code overrides. So all you need to do is just enter a bunch of zip codes. I think the most that you can enter is 100. And then you just need the category IDs as well. And those, I believe, like, there's some place where they have all of them. Like if you go to just the company list, yeah, so you'll have a lot of the categories here. They say, what do they say? Top categories? I mean, this looks like all the categories, if you ask me. So pretty sure you can find it there. If not, yeah, like other places. So let's see if we can actually just use this in the browser. Boom. Yeah, so it's just a GET request. So nice. And I don't think you need, you don't need like any other cookies or anything. Boom. So what you would do is, copy this, and then you have the page limit, and then you just need to change the zip codes as well as the categories. So let's see what I did there. So yeah, this is a little slow. Yeah, so obviously this code is pretty intense. It's not, yeah, it's kind of a pain in the butt. So get all pros, fetch pros. Yeah, so I'm using this got scraping package and using Evomi's proxies, the best. Love Evomi. They are the cheapest and working pretty well. I do have, it seems like if there's too much traffic, then sometimes I have like socket hangups, but whatever, I'm willing to live with that. And actually, I think this URL is a little bit different. It's probably the same, so V2 to V3. Yeah, so this is V3. Not exactly sure what the difference is, but since it's working, I'm just going to keep that there, and brand Angi. So one thing to know too is that I believe like the back end is, they also have purchased one of those other companies, and you might be able to get data from that as well. It's what is it? Another contractor company. Anyway, so that's, yeah. Let's go back here. So page, and then category ID, and then postal zip codes right there. So note that it's the AL category ID and not the HA category ID, and then postal code overrides. So you just have all those zips, join them by a comma, and I believe you can have 100 of them, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, that's how you get all of that data. And they just keep calling that over and over again for all the US zip codes. And to get the actual emails, then you have the profile URL right here for all of them. So you need to go into each person's profile. So you have Angi list and the URL. So you need to hit each one of these pages and just return the HTML, because the HTML is going to have the next data in there. So we have next data. If you use that in your console, and I think I just did like command, what did I get? Just right click, inspect element to get into the console, props, page props, profile, and then where is it? Business info. No, not business info, is contact info, and then emails and phone numbers. So why they are exposing this information is anyone's guess. Who knows? And then to see that like on the page, so you would just use Cheerio if you're a JavaScript dev, or Beautiful Soup if you're a Python dev, or something else if you are a PHP dev, to parse that. But there's a script that will just be called next data. So all you have to do, and it's an ID too, so it's so easy to get. So all you have to do is grab that ID and then JSON parse this, and then key into the information, get the email. I can't believe they just expose all of their contractors. They're just putting all of their contractors on blast, like for who knows what reason. So there, let's see, get pro page and insert. So you just get the company page, and right here we're loading Cheerio, getting that next data script tag, JSON parsing it, and then parsing into the profile. And then let's see, formatting the company. Yep, so you have all this good information. And this is so I can just insert it into my database really easily. And yeah, that's it. The rest you're just, inserting by batch, so it doesn't take as long. And yeah, that's it. So good luck. If you want this list, I'm selling it for $500. Email me, adrian@webscraping.com.